Go ahead.
Maraming.
Sobrang matamis na lang.
One by one.
One by one, let's go.
By one.
Ryan, you go.
You go ahead, okay, I will go. Sobrang madami, salamat po. And, you know, when you eat rice, slowly, step by all the food. You have to eat all kind of vegetable. Sometimes eat beef, vegetable, and then don't drink soft drink. What's this thing? Don't drink soft drink too much. Drink water, and if you drink cold water faster, your body will get shocked, diba? So mix hot water, mix hot water, cold water, hello, and drink slowly. And when you drink coffee, call me every night. Bye, thank you.
How about the team, Ivan, Devon, James, and Fritzy? Do you have any particular messages for your fans and all your lives?
Oh, Ivan.
Maraming salamat po. Hopefully, I will have more projects and I'll do my best on those projects in the future.
Ouch.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Wow.
Si Devon naman.
Maraming salamat po sa sumusuporta sa akin hanggang ngayon. Since day one na nasa loob ako ng bahay ni Kuya hanggang sa paglabas ko, sinusuportahan niyo pa rin ako. Thank you so much and sana ipagpatuloy niyo pa yung pagsuporta sa akin. Thank you so much. Lalo na po sa Debones, Kaureka, Purity, thank you so much. And Caso Verde, and all my other supporters, thank you.
And before we do our last Chupa Chucho, I just want to announce the winners of the 5 PBB Team Class shirts. They are Alicia Cruz, Ellie Buela, Kurt, Ivan Dingrat, Corina Fritesa Apeliana, and Charmaine Guevara.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations!
CBN Interactive on how to claim your prize. And of course, thank you once again to the Big Six!
Of course. 1, 2, 3, go! Chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa.
Yay! Thank you so much to all our chatters na nag-log on ngayong hapon. Thank you of course to the PBB Big Six for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to Pamilya. See you again next time dito lang sa Pamilya Chat. Bye!
Bye!